Program Scholar, Presidential Award recipient, summa cum laude, Jocelyn Alvarez Vivian, Marketing with a minor in Visual Communication Design. Alejandro Beltran del Rio, Communication Studies. Cum laude, Summer Casares, Communication Studies. Lauren Casillas, Communication Studies, with minors in Visual Communication Design and Art. Tawny Davis, Communication Studies, with a minor in Visual Communication Design. Magna cum laude, Sabrina Evans, English Communication Arts, with a minor in Visual Communication Design. Terrence Fennell, Communication Studies, with a minor in Marketing. Summa cum laude, Samantha Guajardo, Communication Studies, with a minor in English. Joynier Gutierrez, Marketing, with a minor in Visual Communication Design. Jeremiah Jensen, Communication Studies, with a minor in Art. Stacy Johns, Interdisciplinary English Language Arts and Reading, with a minor in Communication Studies. Odette Medina, Communication Studies, with a minor in Art. Amanda Perez, Communication Studies, Sociology. Presidential Award recipient, Samantha Salazar, Communication Studies, with a minor in Visual Communication Design. Summa cum laude, Enrique Santa Cruz, Management, with a minor in Communication Studies. Cum laude, Samantha Schulte, Communication Studies, with a minor in English. Brandon Villarreal, Communication Studies. Cameron Wilson, Communication Studies, Political Science. And Marla Yanez, English, with a minor in Communication Studies.